Hi, I'm Aya Kiori, Chief of Clones here at CloneForce. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to integrate your clone with Slack, so you can chat with your digital teammate and trigger skills all without leaving your workspace. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, or simply want to see your clone in action inside Slack, you're in the right place. And stick with me to the end. I'll show you how to run advanced skills like image generation right from your Slack chat. Let's get started. Begin by logging into Clone Studio and navigating to your main clone dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your clones on the left. For this example, we're going to integrate the Scott Michael Bogdan clone with Slack, but you can follow these steps for any clone in your workspace. Click on the clone you want to integrate and you'll land on its details page. At the top, select the Integrate tab. This is where you manage all your clone's integrations, chat platforms, phone calls, email, and more. Look for the section labeled Chat Platforms. This is where you'll connect your clone to real-time platforms like Slack and WhatsApp. Click the Add Chat Platform button to continue. A modal will appear asking you to select which chat platform you want to integrate. You'll see options like Slack and Microsoft Teams. For this walkthrough, click the blue Configure button next to Slack. Now you'll see a step-by-step instruction panel for integrating with Slack. Let's walk through each step together. Click the link to apislack.com apps and log into your Slack account. Click Create New App to start the setup. Back in Clone Studio, click the Copy Clone Studio App Manifest button. This copies all the settings your Slack app will need. In Slack, when prompted, choose to create the app from a manifest. Select your workspace, then paste the manifest you copied from Clone Studio into the field provided. Click Next. Review the summary screen. You'll see the app name, requested permissions, and redirect URLs. If everything looks good, click the green Create button. Once your app is created, you'll land on the Slack app's configuration page. Here's a quick tip. To make your clone instantly recognizable in Slack, add a 1.1 avatar image. Under Display Information, upload a square headshot of your clone. You can ask your clone for their avatar URL, generate a new image, or upload one from your device. Don't forget to hit Save Changes after updating the image. Next, you'll need to grab your app's signing secret. In the Basic Information section, click Show next to the signing secret and copy it. Return to the Clone Studio integration modal and paste it into the signing secret field. Now, in the Slack app config, click on OAuth and Permissions in the left sidebar. Click the green Install to your workspace button. Once installed, Slack will generate a bot user OAuth token. Copy this token and paste it back into the bot token field in Clone Studio. With both the bot token and signing secret entered, click Test Connection in Clone Studio. If the connection is successful, the Save and Publish button will become active. Click it to complete the integration. Your clone is now connected to Slack. Head over to Slack. In any channel or direct message, type E, followed by your clone's name. You'll see your clone appear as an app in the suggestions. Select it and start chatting. You can interact with your clone just like you would with a teammate. Here's the real magic. Your clone isn't just for conversation. You can execute powerful skills right from Slack. For example, let's generate an image. Just type your command like, Aya, generate an image of you giving a speech at an agentic AI conference in the Bay Area. Your clone will respond with the generated image and a link all within Slack. You can ask for different angles, settings, or aspect ratios, whatever you need. This means you can automate, create, and get work done, all without leaving your chat. And that's it. You've now integrated your clone with Slack, personalized its appearance, and learned how to chat and run advanced skills, all in one seamless workflow. This integration is just the beginning. With your clone in Slack, you can automate daily tasks, trigger workflows, and collaborate with your digital teammate in real time. If you're ready to take it further, check out our other how-to videos on connecting your clone to Microsoft Teams, automating notifications, or building multi-step workflows using skills. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to see more tips, our customer success team is always here to help. See you in the next tutorial.